So I haven't been able to update all week for you guys, and I'm really sorry about that. I've been trying, but it's been kind of hard to get myself alone and stuff. But you're in luck though, because every single day since Monday I've been getting worse and worse and worse, and I'm not getting better at all. So yeah, it's not like you missed anything, and I've been sick for like 5 days. Sucks. You. 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 Oh. You. 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 Oh my head. Ow. What the hell? Achoo! 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 That's gonna be all right now because I really don't feel well, and I think I'm gonna go sleep for a little bit now, even though I woke up like 2 hours ago. But I'm dying again. I have no idea what it is, so it's like a flu or a cold or both, or I don't know. Whatever it is, it's not fun because I've been sick for like 5 days and it's slowly getting worse, and I don't really understand. Bye guys. For now.